Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Samsung Galaxy M34 for senior person. And to do this, first let's check if this device does have anything like a senior or simple mode. Not the senior mode, maybe simple. No. Okay, so we need to adjust all of the settings manually, and to do that, access the accessibility settings. Inside we want to go for something like a display, maybe visibility enhancements, and yep, here we have it. So we can adjust our font like default, high contrast, or large display. We're gonna go with large display because I think it fits this theme perfectly. Then we can enable also high contrast text so that all of the text on your device is much more visible. You will need to download one of these packages, yellow or blue, whichever one you like. High contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard, highlight the buttons, color inversion. That is a personal thing. If you like it, then leave it on. Remove animations to reduce motion sickness while using this device, and I guess that is, or actually we have the magnification that we can enable with the shortcut. And now triple tap onto your screen, click on the accessibility and you will see this zoom window, and you can float around to zoom in onto the text and other icons and stuff. And that is all of the settings I would recommend to change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.